request to share our burden. Our burden is very heavy. So thank you to everybody. Long live Northeast Indigenous People Forum. नाहरलागुन टाउन सिंहपुर लाइक ये मिठुन का है कितना करके 3000 शुरू हो गया है मुझे चौक एक बोतल में कितना 500
and Sir Doke, the president of the Arunachal. Look at the camera.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. We have our three chief guests. Honorable MLA Free Toko Takin is with us. Ladies and gentlemen, आप सभी को मैं फिर से बता दूँ हमारे बीच उपस्थित आज के मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पे
Happy World Indigenous Day. Long live World Indigenous Day. Long live Northeast Indigenous People Forum. Thank you, visitor. Honorable Chief Guest, MLA Takuji, and also special Chief Guest and our Northeast Indigenous Forum Chairman and all executive members and also all the president of 7 states. And here I have seen the other participants also. My love to all, my dear, you are the future of our indigenous people of Northeast. This is my maiden speech actually. This is my maiden speech in English and in the outside stage of our Tripura. I never speak in English, so please bear with me. I cannot speak also because if I going to tell about the story of Tripura people, I become emotional. Yes. I don't know why. I can't speak about the story of our Tripura people. As you have seen or already mentioned that Tripura is the critical condition or in position regarding the influx like in 1971 like that. They used to come for earning daily. They come to through this border and they earn like driving rickshaw or everything. They go to in the evening. That was there. Then they come to Tripura by bribe, by giving bribe, and also through the fancy, border fancy also they come. This time at present is more serious. If you see the social media, you can see they are coming. Our indigenous people have been surviving, struggling for our surviving. Now is the question of existing. It is the root cause of illegal immigrant to Tripura. Every hour problem is we are facing. Every state, like Northeast state, they used to mention that, or they used to warn themselves that not to be second Tripura. Everybody are mentioning not to be second Tripura. Yes, I also tell you, or I also request you to be careful not to be like Tripura. But if we get way to India through Tripura for the Bangladeshi. Now I feel it is our duty, all India, as an Indian, to protect this illegal immigrant entering to the Tripura, because we are now suffering. Maybe after 10 years there will be Mizoram, or already Assam is suffering like us but not serious like us. Then we can see Dimapur also half of Tripura, almost like half of Tripura. So I just want to request not to be like Tripura. You have your own administration or government, but we have no our own administration power. Due to this influx, we have violated all our political rights, human rights, cultural rights, economical rights. In this junction, I came here to plead for you or from you that please let us help each other. Solidarity, I want solidarity. I am ashamed. I'm ashamed to show my face as a people, because we have lost everything. At present, according to 2011 census, we are only 31%. I don't think this is just an official record, but unofficial record we may be 25 or like that now. Because every day they are coming, and for them it's very easy to make the documents, because all administration powers in their hand. So when they come, they immediately they can do the document like Aadhaar card or ration card. So it is in their own hand. It is very threat to our Tripi people. Not only Tripura, it will come to Assam and every state, and also it is the threat for whole India, because if since they come to Tripura, they will move here and there, no? So that's why as a Northeast people, please, we will work together, and I want to request to share our burden. Our burden is very heavy. So if it is last but not the least, I again request, let us work in solidarity and help each other. Especially we are very marginalized and also very weak. Everything in our place, we are weak in the education or economic. So we cannot stand with you together. Maybe this is very difficult for us to stand with you together. So thank you to everybody.
Thank you so much, Tripura.
It's a privilege to stand here today. I stand as a proud tribal. I stand as a proud indigenous fellow. It's a World Indigenous Day. This is a product of many sacrifices.
5 hours later.
Nahar Lagun town. So good like Nahar Lagun town. Kalau call bisa guna aja kira. Turing tu kan, turun tu kan. Untuk kita tu. ये क्या है?
दवाई दारू
दवाई Seis na po. Oh. ये मिठुन का है कितना करके?
1,000
ये बंडल में कितना?
1,000
1,000 1,000 1 2 3 मिठुन मांसनि kerang fish फ्राई फिश कहाँ से आता है ये? हाँ स्टिकी राइस मुझे चौक एक बोतल में कितना? 500
ml
ये मस्ती हो जाएगा ना पीने से मस्ती हो जाएगा
इतना भी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है
sama sakri chanan ta
Halo tahu apa?
lang ma bele lang
Menang pilih ko.
na ye try bele
बनाना जानना चाहिए
एक लौंग मिठू
नहीं।
ये एक बंडल
हम लोग तो
कितना?
बहुत दूर है ना
हाँ
त्रिपुरा का
300
नहीं तो ले जा सकता था
tilang mana tilang mana apa ya su munayata
kerang kerang yo sekarang so yo
omle tilang mana 300 ang sakit tilang nada kaisa jono kaisa no sarai ben mithuni
telang ke bukur sih telang masa
the enti klep apa no orang klep Busung hisa kamu
3000
3000
bukur mah
क्या करेगा ये तुम्हें खाइसे हम भाई जोंसी तिलांगै फैमिली रेस्टुरेंट सुजाक और थांनाय लेग्रा तामजन बीकानेर गेंटिंगा थांबा बरो मासंनायता I love Bikaner Nahar Lagoon restaurant borok kuri lagi borok on rang mana kita siapa borok enak nang tentu dia kupuri ada restoran tolak tu naik lagi terus Nahar Lagoon city den hoy tahu top ni dukan naik keren naik Chinese restaurant. Since 1960. Baby, asok ha? Ha? वो बिल्डिंग रो कोटो कोटो में क्या है? उसे तो वो खाई सिर्फ normal yes. Yes, normal. Noodle. दुकान पुंग ताबो उमुदे तो साथ सुजा दुकान पुंग चावलास masih चावलास सालाद सूर्य गया दे suag butang na spring margarita also so important for that ये पहले भाई आप कहाँ से? आप कहाँ से? घर कहाँ? हाँ? बनारस यूपी का ना तो इधर में कहाँ बैठा?
मस्जिद के पास
भाड़ा
मस्जिद के पास
भाड़ा कितना लाभ होता है?
ये हम मालिक के हैं
आप मालिक नहीं है? बिक्री होता है सेल होता है
हाँ इस समय मंदा चल रहा है
मंदा चला मतलब
कम हो रहा है,
हाँ
बिक्री कम हो रहा है।
कम होता है। आप कहाँ से भैया? कहाँ से?
हम
यूपी का?
नहीं बिहार का।
बिहार का। इधर में क्या काम करता है?
हम लोग का ग्लास का दुकान है, उसमें
हाँ
ग्लास का दुकान है, शीशा दुकान
सेल होता है?
होता है।
होता है। आदमी कम है ना?
अभी कम है,
आदमी कम।
आदमी कम।
मुकेश सिनी होटल अरुणाचल होटल जों दाबो रेस्टुरेंट जायफैयो जोंनि होटल अरुणाचल होटल हाबनो